Gene of Owner and Operator, and in this video we're going to talk about the 3 things you must do as soon as you pull up to the customer's home or business, just to make sure that you're going to have everything that you need to do. Number 1 is going to be adequate water pressure. Now, of course, when you did the bid walkthrough, you should have did this, but just in case you didn't, you're going to have to make sure that you have good enough water pressure. Water pressure would be 1A, and what I would say 1B is making sure that you flush before you just connect your hose. Sometimes there's little critters and everything that's in there. Just want to run it just for a little bit, make sure there's no rust, anything that'll hurt your pressure washer. Seems to be good there. Number 2 is going to be any type of hazards, whether it's trip hazards, falling hazards, fire hazards, anything that's going to get you in trouble. And this one's going to be special because I just had a trip hazard. So as I'm walking to stretch out my pressure hose, boom. I mean, I fell in there. I fell in there. That's pretty deep. I mean, I'm sunken in there. So trip hazard. So you definitely want to take a walkthrough of the property and make sure that you're not going to fall or cause a spark anywhere. So, like I said, no falls, no sparks. Something else to look out for right here. Hazards to fall over. And boom, fire hazards. That's potential. That's potential. But this is definitely potential. SH going in there. You're gonna feel a spark or two. Fire hazard, definitely. To mention, if there's any type of dogs, animals, you definitely want to make sure that you keep an eye out for that, because last thing you want to do is hurt an animal. But besides that, the last thing you want to do is get hurt by an animal. Number 3 would be exactly what we're doing right now. Either taping or recording or taking pictures of everything, video or camera, to document the entire property. It's best to at least take a walkthrough while on camera and pointing out to everything that has to be pointed out to. And the other part is to take pictures and sending to the customer worst case scenarios, just to say, hey, I just want to make sure that you're aware of this part right here. Because one thing is to have it documented, it not come back to you later, but it's another thing to show in the moment, right then and there, that, hey, this is broken, we did not do this. And as you record yourself in the property, a lot of people like to use apps. Me, I just use this. Reason why is I have an iPhone, goes to the cloud. I have a MacBook, so which means it automatically goes to there. So when I do my YouTube videos or I do my estimates, boom, it's on my computer, attached and ready to go.